Good morning, children. Today, 10th class continuous topic mensuration. In last class, title cylinder and cone with formulas. CSA of cone is equal to pi RL. TSA of cone is equal to pi r into h plus r. Volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Slant height L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. And next, cylinder. CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. TSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Volume of cylinder equal pi r square h. Today, the two topics, cone and cylinder, whose some problems are today you will study. A heap of rice in the form of a cone of diameter 1 meter and height 8 meter. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? A heap of rice in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meter and height 8 meter. Find its volume is one of the questions. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap is the another question. Now, given the information, diameter of a cone is 12 meter, d 12 meter, and height h equal to 8 meter. So, d is equal to 12 meter. To convert its radius, r is equal to d by 2. So 12 by 2, 2 ones to 6 centimeter is radius. The first question, find its volume. Then volume V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now, the value is substitute 1 by 3 into pi. That value is equal 20 by 7 or 3.14. But in this problem, pi is equal to 3.14 was taken. So, 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square. That means r into r, which is r value r equal to 6. Then 6 into 6 into h 8. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 6 into 6 into 8. 3 ones, 3 twos cancel. And next one, 2 6 are 12. 12 8s are 96. 96 into 3.14. That's product is 300.44 centimeter cube. Is the volume? The volume is equal 3.1.44 centimeter cube. And the second one, how much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? So, canvas cloth is required to cover the heap. Then, curved surface area of cone. So, curved surface area of cone, that formula is pi r L. So I first find out L. So slant height L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Then taken the values square root of r 6 to 6 square plus h 8 to 8 square. So 6 square 36 plus 64, that value is 100. So square root 100. 100 square root value is 10. So slant height L equal to 10. Therefore, curved surface of cone is equal to pi r L. Now value is taken pi 3.14 into r6 into L10. So 3.14 into 6 into 10, that's product is 188.40. After decimal right side, ending zeros is not valid. So 188.4 centimeter square cloth is required to cover the head. 188.4 centimeter square cloth is required to cover the head. In the second one, the curved surface area of cone is 4070 centimeter square and its diameter is 70 centimeter. What is slant height? Then the question, another, observe, the curved surface area of cone is 4070 centimeter square and its diameter is 70 centimeter. What is its slant height? So given information, curved surface area of cone 4070 centimeter square. So CSA of cone, that's formula is pi r L. The value is 4070 centimeter square. And its diameter is 70 centimeter. So D is equal to 70 centimeter. We know its radius R is equal to D by 2. So 70 by 2, 2 ones to 35. So 35 centimeter is radius. 35 centimeter is radius. So that's pi r L, curved surface area. Its symbol initial is A. So pi r L equal to A. That value substitute 20 by 7 into 35 into L equal to 4070. Then L is equal to 4070 into transfer to the fractions to LHS to RHS. Then it's a reciprocals to change on right side. So 4070 into 22 by 7 transfer to RHS, then 7 by 22. 35 is transferred to right side, then 1 by 35. So 11 plus 22, 11 370 is 4070. Next one, 7 ones 7 fives, 5 ones 574 is 370. 2 ones to 37 is 74. So L is equal to 37. L means slant height L is equal to 37 centimeter. Given pi r L equal to 4070 and D equal to 70, we know R is equal to D by 2. So 70 by 2 that is equal to 35 centimeter. So pi r L equal to A and 20 by 7 into 35 into L equal to 4070. Then L is equal to 4070 into transfer to 22 by 7 is 7 plus 22. Transfer 35 is RHS. We know 1 by 35. So we simplify that. That value is 37. 11 to 22. 11 370 is 4070. 7 ones and 7 fives 35. 5 ones 74 is 370. 2 ones to 37 74. So slant height L is equal to 37 centimeter. Next, the third problem. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeter and height 21 centimeter. Find area of base, curved surface area, total surface area and volume. A right circular cylinder Some examples: a pillar, tube light, and oil drum. There are some examples of cylinder. But given the information, base radius R is equal to 14 centimeter and height h is equal to 21 centimeter. Then find first one, area of base. Cylinder base is the shape of a circle. Cylinder base are end to end. Each end is the shape of a circle. So, area of base is equal to area of circle. We observe oil drum. Base is round shape. So, that means base is circle. So, area of base is equal to area of circle. We know area of circle is pi r square. Now take the values 22 by 7 r square, r into r, that r value is 14. So 14 into 14. 7 1s, 7 2s, 14. 2 into 14, 28. 28 into 22. That's product is 616. 616 centimeters square is area of base. And second one, curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Now value is taken 2 into 22 by 7 into R is equal to 14 and H, the value is 21. It can cancel 7 1, 7 2s are 14. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2, 88. 88 into 21, that product is 1848 centimeters square. 1848 centimeters square. So, curved surface area of cylinder equal to 1848 centimeters square. And third one, total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder. That is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r. Now value is taken 2 into 22 by 7 into r 14 into h plus r 21 plus 14. So 7 1, 7 2s are 14. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2 is 88 into 21 plus 14 is equal to 35. The product of 88 and 35 is 3080 centimeters square. So, total surface area of cylinder is equal 3080 centimeters square. And last one, volume. Volume of cylinder is equal pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is equal pi r square h. The value is taken 20 by 7 r square. So 14 square, 14 into 14 and h. The value is 21. So 20 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 21. 7 1s, 7 3s. 14 into 14, 196. 196 into 3 into 22. That's product is 12,936. 12,936. So volume is cubic square units, so cubic centimeter. So a red circular cylinder has base radius 14 and height 21 cm. To find area of base, CSA and PSA and volume. Now given information R is equal to 14 and H is equal to 21. First one, area of base. That is equal to area of circle. So that formula is pi r square. Now value substitute 20 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 1, 7 2 cancel and 7 twos. The product of 2 into 2, 22, 2 and 21 is 1848 centimeters square. And next PSA, total surface area of cylinder, 2 pi r into h plus r. Now value is taken 2 into 20 by 7 into 40 into 21 plus 40. 717 the product of 2, 22 and 2 is 88 into 35, that is equal to 3080. And the volume of cylinder by Oscar H, the value is taken 20 by 7, 14 into 14 and 21, 7173. The product of 22, 14, 14 and 3. That product is 12,936 centimeter cube. So, in next class, sphere and hemisphere are explained.